Now turning to Cuba, where some doctors and nurses are being considered for a prestigious award. Why? Well, because they were on the front lines in West Africa combating the Ebola outbreak. CCTV's Begue joins us from Havana with more. Michelle, tell us more.
Mike, the Henry Reeve Medical Brigade, based in Cuba and deployed to global disaster zones and epidemic outbreaks around the world, was nominated by Norway for the Nobel Peace Prize this year.
Cuban doctors and patients were happy to hear the news that one of their own could be considered a candidate for the Nobel Peace Prize.
I think it is a recognition not only for those who are working abroad, but also for all of us, as they represent us.
They work in a very hostile situation. This is why there is so much merit in what they do. They give themselves without asking for anything.
Every Cuban doctor deserves it because all of them have gone to big missions and have done a great job.
The medic team, Henry Reeve Brigade, was named for a U.S. doctor who joined the Cubans in the 19th century War of Independence and was created in 2005 by former Cuban leader Fidel Castro. The team's first missions were in Guatemala for a hurricane and Pakistan for a devastating earthquake. Officials say they have sent 461 doctors and nurses to help fight the Ebola epidemic in West Africa, which has killed almost 9,000 people and infected more than 22,000, according to the World Health Organization. For medical students studying in Cuba, the recognition is motivational.
They are helping Cuba's international reputation. Those doctors of the Henry Reeve Brigade are combating Ebola, despite their fears as it is highly contagious.
As a foreigner in this country to study medicine and to hear that news, it tells me that I made the right choice in coming to this country and study medicine.
Mike, Cuba's role in fighting the Ebola crisis has been recognized internationally. In fact, even before the U.S. and Cuba began diplomatic ties again, the U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry acknowledged the work Cuba was doing in the fight against this Ebola crisis. Back to you.
Michelle Begue, live for us in Havana. Thank you.